one. So this is an Airbnb place that I rented out for this specific day. So come and join me for a house tour. So basically, I don't know exactly kung sa gini siya kadakaan na place. Okay? So, but the place is quite big enough for like 10 people. So probably this will can accommodate around 21 people overall. I do have a strong feeling na this door is somehow what to do with the feng shui. Kasi nga, naka-angled siya. And I remember one of my projects, yung sa isa kong kliyente na pina-angled siya niyang somewhat like parang 45 degrees somehow. So, parang yun lang. Yun ang naisip ko lang ha. Okay. Come and join me. So, this is a living room. Yan, ganda diba? It's quite spacious. Very comfortable seating. And this is very comfortable. It's Oster type. And then this is my mom. Hello. Hello. Then they have a karaoke key that we can use unlimited. Unlimited use siya. So okay yun. And they have a 6-seater dining round table. Yan. Diba? Galing. And then this is their kitchen. Ayan. Kitchen yan. It's an ample space and it's utilized well. So yan. We can use their microwave, the utensils, and every appliances in that you can see in here. Ayan. Nandito din si auntie. Nagluluto. Or naglilipit. Yan. Nag-high lang siya. So later on, we're going to enjoy the place. So that's their breakfast nook. So there's yan lahat ng mga pagkain na dinala namin. So we have a lot of things that we really brought into here. So let's go to the second floor. So the first room will be this one. Ayan. This is the first room. This is the master's bedroom. It has a master's bed and another bed in here that can accommodate 3 people. Yan. Ang third person to. So that's their wardrobe closet that they can use in here. And their own restroom. Diba? Cool. Malinis siya. They even have their own water heater. Yan, pag nainitan ka. And here, look at it, this one. Ay, wala. Ayan! Look at that one! Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng may electric fan. Other places, I haven't seen this one. Kasi usually is the vent. But they don't need a vent in here because may windows naman. So okay lang na walang vent. But having an electric fan is really amusing. In here, diba? So, it's still daytime. So, hindi pa namin nag-turn on ng yung mga aircon dito. We can actually use aircon. However, hindi lang muna namin ginamit kasi nga, everyone is downstairs and we're enjoying the place. So, it really has this, probinsyang feeling. Alright? So, now let's head to the second bedroom. So now let's go to the second bedroom. So I think it's among the 3 bedrooms here in the second floor. Ito yung manang maliit. But it is very accessible to both areas. One is the restroom, which is very important. And the second one is a balcony here. Diba? Overlooking this area. Diba? Ganda diba ng view? Okay, so how about the view? Parang yun, kahit wala siyang dedicated balcony from the bedroom, at least it's very accessible to this area. At maganda siya, di ba? Maganda yung view. So let's go back and check out the second bedroom. Now let's go and right here. bed is quite small. So you can actually compare it later on when I'm showing you the third bedroom. But this one, this has a capacity of 4 people. Kasi may pull-out bed siya. Oh. Here, there's a pull-out. Oh my gosh, my bill. Yan. So, 2 people in here. So, total of 4. Kasha, may aircon din. Diba? Importante yun mamayang gabi. Because if you're feeling tired and we wanted to relax, maganda kapag may aircon. Diba? Right now, I'm sweating kasi nga hindi kami nag-aircon. Kasi later on, nasa baba lang kami. Not overhead. Yan, overhead to, diba? Cabinet. You can place your things in here. Mga gamit, especially you're renting it out for a limited time. Let's proceed to the third bedroom. So, I think next to the master's bedroom, ito yung malaki. So, here, my foyer, my another balcony facing the yan, parang garden siya or the lawn. There's a lot of trees in here. So now let's come in to the third bedroom. Okay, here's the third bedroom. What are you doing here?
Hello.
Move. So this is my room. As you can see. So eto siya. 4 people can be accommodated in this area. Pwede siya 5 or 6 din kasi nga to malaki siyang area. There's a very huge window in here that you can actually see the amenity area. Yung pool area, makikita mo pa rin. Look at that one. Look at the view. Diba? Mas malaki yung makikita mo dito. Enjoying this beautiful scenery in the morning. You can actually go out and check out it through the balcony or through this window. Yan. Good for 4 people din. May pull-out bed din siya. I will not pull it out na ha. Pero kasi nga, 4. And if you have brought an extra bed, you can actually accommodate another 1 or 2. And this room has its own table. Malit lang siya. It's very things like here. So, aming gamit, di ba? Aming ko pang gamit. So, I'm sharing this room naman kasi. So, hindi lang ako yung nakastay dito, but this is where I will be staying. So now, I hope you're enjoying the room tour. So let's go back and head forth to the another areas outside the house. Oh, by the way, meron pala siyang 4th bedroom na located dito. So, because hindi namin siya sinama, kasi there are a number of people coming in here, hindi siya, will not accommodate this area. So, doon lang tayo. Labas. So, hindi nakakabukas yan. Tada! Look at this one. Diba? Who doesn't like a place to stay for a bit na meron kang indoor, ang tawag dito, indoor dining, and then you have an outdoor dining. Mag-borrow sa wherever OC slippers. So, ito yung parang outdoor niya. So, you can make chill. It's very accessible to both going to the lawn or garden, and then this to the pool area. Diba? So, kanina, when we arrived in here, dito kami kumain. Kasi nga, we kinda like the place, the vibe, this chill. So, ito, kain-kain kami. And then, that's the pool area. We were able to enjoy the view and then this beautiful scenery in front of me. Diba? Ang ganda. So now, I think we can have a little series in here. Pero sige na. May service area sila dito. And then almost all sides has trash cans. It's very important kasi yung cleanliness ng area din. Here, yep. Mamaya, you're going magpipicture tayo later on when when everything has settled in already. In that area also, pwede upuan, yung bench. Yan. Look at this pool. I think this is 4 or 5 feet lang. So, malit lang naman siya. So, you can sit parang half lap, probably like that. Pero mag-enjoy ka pa rin naman. When you are staying in here. So, if you wanna have some fun, you wanna play around here, you can actually do that. Alright, let's go. Let's tour more of this place. Yan, nakapark si Navi. Yan siya na-park. May bahay siya. Diba? May bahay-bahayan si Navi. Okay. Here. That is her bedroom for yung garage nila dati. That used to be, back then, it's a trivia given to me by the caretaker na it used to be a garage, 2-car garage. And then ginawa nilang 4th bedroom to accommodate more guests. So, I think for me personally, I think you can still park 2 cars in here or 4 or 5 cars later on kasi darating yung iba. Other guests will be coming here which are also my family or relatives perhaps. So, yan, dyan sila magpapark. So, may grotto sila doon ha. And you're going to enjoy the amenity area in that place. So, doon kasi naka-place yung caretaker. So, yung caretaker doon din yung amenity place. Later on, we're going to have a separate tour on that area. Habang nasi-chill-chill pa tayo dito. Feeling atin. The place is really perfect for people who wanted to have parang serenity. Parang, kaya nga pala siguro pangalan niya Serenity. Because it's really quiet in here. You can only hear like the chirping of the birds, the yung mga barks of the dog, ang mga ano pa dyan ng mga cats, mga sound of animals. Yung mga roosters, yung ano pa dito. Kanina yung may nakita kong cat, may nakita naman akong chicken, mga roosters, mga ganon. Iba-iba. Then, the provincial life, and you can hear also the tricycle, yung parang motor nila, engine of the yung mga engine ng mga tricycle. You can barely hear that in the city kasi. So, let's go back into this area. If you enjoy morning walks, I think this is the best time for you to do so. Kasi may enjoy mo yung place eh. Malamig siya oh, the breeze, look at that one. May breeze ba to? Or chilly days, whatever you call it. It's no, walang dagat, pero sinabi kong may breeze, kahit walang breeze. Relax mo. Maganda siguro if it was all cleaned up lang naman. Yung mga dead things. Okay, there's a grotto in here. Usually, having a grotto is usually nakikita yung sa mga Catholic houses or meaning to say yung mga religion na ng may owner. So, we can actually tell that they are Catholic. At the same time, parang may Spanish inspired yung mga grotto. Back then kasi dito siya na parang na-incorporate. So, let's go back. Kasi yun na tayo ang pinaka-last na ko ng place. Dami ng aso. So, that ends my house tour, guys. So, now my guests are arriving. So, I'm happy to say that thank you for watching this video. So, if you wanna check this out, the Dallas Farm, then you have to hit the right button right below. Alright, so see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.